Hey everybody, welcome to my vlog. Well, as you can see, I'm sitting in the dentist chair again, and I'm having a crown put on one of my top teeth, and it was one that actually had a filling in it, and the outside of the tooth broke off. So I've been feeling the filling. The first phase was to get the filling out of it, and then he grinded down the tooth down to minimum, and he says, well, I hope I can get enough of it. If not, we're gonna have to put in a stud, and that'll mean a root canal. I said, So he did what he could, and he says, I just got done doing the temp, getting it set in there correctly, and then doing last minute adjustment. So man. I would like to have done video through the whole thing, but basically just the grinding part is probably about the worst part. After you've been stuck with the needle, it's just the constant grinding.
Okay, I'll just have you turn and face me again. Now when you bite together, bite gently.
Okay.
Are you feeling that tooth before you feel any others?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Go ahead and bite down. And tap your teeth a little bit. Good. And grind around a little bit. Good. You can open. Almost there.
Tooth adjustment.
Yes.
And again, the reason for this one coming out is the fact that the outer part of the tooth broke off. So that's all I had was the what was left of the filling, because it was a filled tooth, and the inner side. So as you're touching it with your tongue, you're always getting that sharpness of the filling. And you can, as you can see from this photo right here of the tooth, that was the beginning of what the tooth looked like before it was removed, and then grounded down, and then he made a build-up so that the new tooth could sit around it, and they'll be able to glue it in there.
Yeah.
Almost
there, huh? There.
Almost there.
Okay, and bite together for me. Good. Tap your teeth together. And go ahead and open. Okay. I'll be right back. I have to bite down too hard on that.
Oh, there it is. It's in. I guess I got it in the ring light. There you go. There's the hole, and that's what it's sitting on. There you go. Now they just put the temporary in there. kind of blessed. I actually have all my teeth. I've had two I've had 2 caps prior to this, one on each side, back on one of my 2 of my molars. This is the first time it's been a crown. Is that on, and then the mate is over here, and it's still in good shape. It doesn't have a filling in it, so that's the advantage of that.
And bite down. And tap. Good, go ahead and open. Alright, that looks good. Just gonna have someone come check it. I'll be right back.
My eye tooth. That one's kind of flat. But that's my white fang, as I was called in high school. Oh man. I actually had a girl in elementary school who was jealous of my teeth. She hated me because of my teeth. I don't know.
Does the bite feel good for what you can feel?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, let's take a look. Put your head back. Tap, tap, tap. Good. Does your bite feel like it's coming together on the other side?
Yeah, it's just kind of weird because you don't feel that the matching tooth as you do this one here.
So does it feel even, or does it feel like you're hitting first over here?
It's darn close.
Okay. Tap, tap, tap. And bend. Good. Does it come off the finger pressure? Does it come off? Yeah, I'm just going to.
Alright, here we go. Go back in 2 weeks. Get my permanent one. And $250 later. So don't expect to get out of there cheap when you have a crown put in. I think that last one was like $600 for a molar. So, but not much pain, but it's just it's just a pain all around. So nothing really exciting in this video other than just the fact that I'm making it as a hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. This is under human drama. Well, I just got back. I'm just leaving now. The dentist office. It's been 2 weeks since I had my crown prepared. it was chipped. My tooth was chipped and cracked, so we went ahead and grinded it down so there was a stump, and then made a mold of it, and then did gave me a temporary in my pocket. I'm gonna put it under my pillow. Maybe the tooth fairy will leave me some money and I'll pay for the other one. Wow, $1,600 later. You didn't have the insurance for it. You'd be running around without one. So 250 deductible on that, because it's a ceramic, from what I understand, ceramic tooth, and it's right up front. So here it is right here, and new. And they do is they do a mold of it, and they give you a temporary, and then you come back in 2 weeks later, and then they put the new one in, glue it in permanently. Now leaving the dentist, and I just had the new permanent one just put in.